F150.
F150?
That's what it's called, yeah.
Oh, okay. So how is it? What do you think about this car?
I love trucks. I didn't think I'd like a big truck like this, but man, do you feel like you're driving like a planet? It's so big. You're gonna run everybody over. But it's so comfortable. Like it's a very, very quiet ride, very smooth ride. I can't complain. 5 stars out of 5.
That's true. And it has the same automation like Kia, right? When it stops.
Yeah, it has the auto start stop. This button right here makes it off if you want. You can turn it back on if you. Right, so it's off now. So whenever you come to like a standstill, to like you're not moving anywhere, and the car is in drive, it's gonna turn off the engine, but you have to be pressing down the brake as you're standing still. If you just let go of the brake just a little bit, it will turn back on again. It's assuming that you're about to start moving. So it's really, really useful if you want to save some fuel. And this thing takes probably like $60 of fuel, so like probably like 20 gallons. So.
And for the price, how much do you think is the price of this Ford? What's the year of this car?
This has to be a 2017. Let's find out. It doesn't say. But it will say here. It has to be a 2017.
Wait.
Hold on. This is a 2018. Okay.
Wow, that's in a new
2018
version.
Ford. Of course, it doesn't go into detail of what model, but it's F150, so that's how I know. It weighs 7,000 pounds. By comparison, my Hyundai Sonata weighed 3,800. So it's a big thing. So let's go.
It's very comfy. And yeah, 2018, that's why it's very nice. And it has a very spacious space. Big space at the back. So it's cool. Considering getting one?
Yeah, at one point. But not brand new.
Okay.